Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: a 5 kilograms weight loss diet plan in just 1 week. Before we begin, remember that rapid weight loss may not be suitable for everyone. Now, let's dive into the meal preparation and plan. Setting the goal. This diet plan aims to promote weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way. It involves a combination of balanced meals, portion control, and regular exercise. Remember, focusing on nutrient-dense foods and avoiding crash diets is key. Plan for the week. We've divided the week into 3 major meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Additionally, we'll include some healthy snacks to keep you energized throughout the day. Day 1, Monday. Breakfast. Kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast. How about a delicious smoothie bowl made with bananas, berries, spinach, and a sprinkle of chia seeds? Lunch. For lunch, prepare a quinoa salad with mixed vegetables and a light lemon vinaigrette dressing. Dinner. Opt for a grilled chicken breast with a side of steamed broccoli and brown rice. Day 2, Tuesday. Breakfast. Enjoy a filling breakfast of Greek yogurt topped with sliced fruits and a drizzle of honey. Lunch. Prepare a chickpea and vegetable stir-fry with a dash of low-sodium soy sauce. Dinner. For dinner, try a baked fish fillet with roasted sweet potatoes and a side of sautéed greens. Day 3, Wednesday. Breakfast. Have some whole grain toast with avocado spread and poached eggs on top. Lunch. Prepare a lentil and vegetable soup, a hearty and healthy choice. Dinner. Try a vegetarian dinner with grilled tofu, asparagus, and quinoa. Day 4, Thursday. Breakfast. Start the day with oatmeal topped with nuts and sliced fruits. Lunch. Make a turkey and vegetable wrap using whole grain tortillas. Dinner. Enjoy a lean beef or mushroom burger on a whole grain bun with a side salad. Day 5, Friday. Breakfast. Have some scrambled eggs with spinach and cherry tomatoes. Lunch. Prepare a whole grain pasta salad with vegetables and a light olive oil dressing. Dinner. For dinner, go for a grilled shrimp or tofu skewer with mixed grilled vegetables. In addition to this routine, here are some healthy snacks to keep you energized throughout the day. Healthy snack options. Throughout the day, stay fueled with healthy snacks like mixed nuts, sliced fruits, carrot sticks with hummus, or low-fat yogurt. Drink plenty of water. Host. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Proper hydration is essential for weight loss and overall well-being. This 5 kilograms weight loss diet plan is just a starting point to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Remember, sustainable weight loss takes time and consistency. Combine this diet plan with regular exercise, and most importantly, listen to your body's needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.